is a traditional English day where we just eat loads and loads of pancakes. It's a very simple recipe. 200 grams of plain flour, 4 fresh eggs, 600 milliliters of fresh milk. Okay, let's go. Okay, we just add everything to the flour. And just give it a good mix. This is not rocket science. It's just a quick mix. Do not over mix it. If you get a few lumps in it, that's okay. It's no worry. Okay. Okay, see? Very quick to mix. That's it, done. Okay, now we're going to warm our pan. Okay, pan, it's nice and hot. What we do, we just add just a spot of oil. Okay, let's make sure it's all around the pan. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're just going to add a little bit of our batter. We want to cover about half of the pan. And get it rolling around. Okay, and then we just leave it. You can see that it's starting to dry on top. Now we can add, just check this. Now if you want to be clever and flip it and have it end up on the floor, that's up to you. We'll do it the simple way. It should be golden brown and quite an even colour. You know that your pan's the right temperature. As you can see, once your pan's hot, they don't take very long to cook at all. Keep them thin. They're quicker to cook and they taste better. There we go. What we're going to do now, we're just going to add a few little cranberries. Squeeze a lemon. Sprinkle of sugar if you've got a sweet tooth. And that's it. One pancake. Enjoy.